Can't guess it, man. If we try to know the airship.
Well, look, you finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top.
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy, so, yeah. Good luck.
Digo todo.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the club. Any ideas?
Esta es la primera parte. Y estaré subiendo.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Así que...
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh?
Alright, here I come. Da, 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 da.
La parte más graciosa es esta.
Alright, here it comes.
Pardon? Okay, press the
That guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?